Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App safely. On your homepage, select the Bitcoin which is you can see onto the top right. Now to buy, click on Buy button. Click the three dot to specify a specific amount and hit on Next. Now after you specified your amount, hit on Next. And from here, review your order and click on Confirm. And there you have it. You've successfully bought a Bitcoin. Now to send or receive, click the up and down arrow icon onto the right of the buttons. And from here, you can send a Bitcoin or receive a Bitcoin. You can also send a direct deposit of Bitcoin onto your other wallet and also receive from the other person. And now from here, if you want to sell a Bitcoin, click the sell button. And now from here, select the three dot on to the last option and hit on Next. Specify the amount that you wanted to sell and then review the order of your Bitcoin and then click on confirm. And there you have it. You simply click the done button and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.